sit down like this. Let me off this light. I'm going to, since I started farming mushroom, I'm going to sit down and eat mushroom and eat mushroom and eat mushroom till my stomach turns to mushroom. The thing is safe. I don't eat mushroom before. But the last egusi soup, I added the dried mushroom inside. Oh my goodness. So today, I'm trying something new. It's my first time actually. I've never done that before. My first time. Why am I reducing the gas and it's off instead? It's going to be my first time trying it. I'm going to tell you guys if it's okay or not. If I enjoyed it, because actually it might just be okay. But you know, everyone has different taste bud actually. So let's enjoy mushroom, 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 mushroom. Guys, this is my breakfast actually. Hey, since I'm cooking it on gas, I don't usually allow it to just boil like that. Most times I just put it inside because gas is very hot actually, so I don't expect it to will I call it overcook or something. I don't expect it to be like that. Let me throw this mushroom. Cooking mushroom. Enjoy with me, enjoy with me. This video is going to be very interesting. I promise. Okay? I promise. Let me just add a little bit of butter inside that thing. Inside the boiling water. Just to help it stand out. I don't want it to be clumpy. Hello, welcome. Enjoy with me. I want to cook mushroom noodles today. I just want to try something new as an African mom. Let me try it and see the taste, whether it's overhyped or it's good or it's not. Okay, so just watch me cook it. This is my tomatoes, but it's actually frozen. Okay, so I usually buy tomatoes, keep it in the freezer. That's how I store my tomatoes. Once you keep it in the freezer, anytime you want to use it, you will still get that fresh taste, just like when you bought it initially. The fresh taste will be, sometimes it's even better. If you ask me, the taste as if it's enhanced. The taste of the tomato. So this pepper I'm slicing. Some of you will say that she's slicing it with her hands. I'm used to it, guys. I'm used to it. Just enjoy with me. This is my breakfast I'm making, and these are my mushrooms. I just harvested it from my farm actually. Okay, these ones are the pepper, and these boiled egg, and fats. Let me just keep myself here. Hey. Enjoy with me. Woo. Let this thing boil now. I don't want to stay here more than 2 minutes because I have soap to cut actually. So I don't want to stay here more than, let's say, let me just give myself 10 minutes. I don't want to stay here more than 10 minutes. This thing should boil. Let me turn the water, please. Fast. this morning. This is my breakfast. Breakfast. Come and eat with me. Chineke. This is going to be very interesting. Oh. Eat mushroom with me. Eat mushroom with me. I pray that I will not be happy like this. And when I finish cooking this thing, I cannot eat it. It will be fuck up. Oh. Hey. Oh my goodness. So I'm getting ready with my fry pan to fry my mushroom. My mushroom. Mushroom. Woo, it's boiling. You can see it is boiling already, right? So I'm going to pour out, let's see, pour it out. I don't like it overcooking, so let's go down to the frying, right? Let me fry. Let me use a little bit of butter to fry my mushrooms. See what it's doing. Just see what it's doing. Hey, hey, enjoyment will be down today. 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 See my mushrooms. I want to get them inside. Woo! Enjoyment will be down today. Enjoyment. Enjoyment will be done today. Hello. Hello. Chelsea. Zimeda. 1970. Chelsea Meda. 1970. I don't know. Maybe I should add little vegetable oil too. Let me reduce the heat. I don't want it to be so hot because I don't want it to start burning even when the mushrooms are not yet, you know. So, enjoyment to be asked today. Enjoyment to be asked today. Enjoyment to be asked today. Woo. Okay. Add little. Just want to fry it a bit. I don't like too much of oil in my food. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm doing actually. I should bend it. Woo! I want it to become golden brown, kind of. Once it's golden brown now, I will start adding other things. Enjoyment, enjoyment. I have to put this mushroom for 15 minutes on the sun so that it can pack more vitamin D, you know? This is one thing about mushroom. Once you start frying it, you will not be asking yourself, where is the mushroom? I thought I put a lot of mushroom. How comes it's small? I don't know, especially for fresh. Enjoyment, enjoyment, enjoyment. The enjoyment will be too much. Oh my goodness. This is it. It's getting golden brown, right? For those bigger ones are not. I actually want the bigger ones to be like that because I just want to feel the life in it. Enjoyment to be run today. Let's get golden brown. See, it's almost. I don't know if you're seeing it. It's almost golden. It's almost golden. almost golden. So the smaller ones are golden, the bigger ones are not. I want the bigger ones to be a little bit alive. So let me just add them. Can you hear the sizzling? Can you hear that? Oh my goodness. This is pepper. That's why. Woo! This is my method of reducing heat actually. I just want to reduce the heat. Let me bring it down a little bit. I don't want to use plenty of the sauce. Just little is okay for me. Enjoyment is here today. Wow. Whoa. So I want to do something. I'm going to tell you guys if it's delicious or not. I'm putting a little bit of the water. I don't like my Indomie gummy, so this is why I do it this way. This is how I prepare it. Woo! Enjoyment is here today. So I just added the sauce. You can see how it looks. Can let it steam a little bit. Let me let it steam a little bit. Okay. Enjoyment will be here today. Enjoyment will be here today. Also put so mushrooms, they are packed with lots of antioxidants, right? There is there are some, in fact, it's not one study. There are many studies that has proven that mushrooms are actually packed with a lot of antioxidants and can, in fact, it has more protein than livestock, especially the dried one. Like 1 kg of dried mushroom contains about 40 grams of protein. Can you believe that? 40 grams. Like, even soya beans that they said that is the only plant with animal protein. The only plant with animal protein has just about 30, either 31 or so. It's not even up to 40. But mushroom, but you know, mushroom is not a plant. It's a fungi. It's not actually a plant, so you can't call it a plant. So soya beans is still the only plant with animal protein content. Okay, so nothing has cancelled that up till now. Woo! Please, oh, my food is getting burnt. Woo! I wish you can smell this right now. I wish you can smell this. Woo! 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 I don't want. Let me just make it wet. I don't like dry noodles, okay? Let me make it a little bit wet so that when I'm eating it, I can lick the pot with my hands. You can see it right now. It's ready. Just one noodle is already plenty. It's ready. So let's go and eat. Let's see how it will taste. You guys should pray for me. Oh. I just woke up. What came to my mind is cook mushroom and noodles. That's what came to my mind though. Can you believe this? Cook mushroom and as if I'm pregnant. Even pregnant woman self, I don't think she will crave for this type of food. But let's go there. Let's see how it's going to taste. If it's wow, I'll tell you to try it. If it's not, woo! Thank God this is not a non-stick pot. When you cook jollof rice, that burnt part, these down parts, oh my goodness. Have you tried the burnt side of jollof rice before? If you try it, I don't think you'll be eating any other thing. You will just be eating that side alone all the time. Who has tried it? Drop it in the comment section. The burnt side of jollof rice. Sorry if you're not a Nigerian. Sorry if you're not a Nigerian. I'm sorry. So let's go eat our almost burnt food. Let me soak it so that immediately I finish eating, I can wash it out. Because I like whatever I use, I get it washed immediately. I don't like piling plates. Let's go and eat. Food is ready. Food is ready. Food is ready. Let's eat. Food is ready. Sorry, let me get water. Let me get water. Okay, there's water I remain here. There's a sachet water here. So I don't need to get any. Okay? So there's a sachet water here. I wanted to get water so that it will not choke me. So that if the thing is not good. The pepper is peppering. The pepper is peppering. Whoosh. Where's the mushroom safe? I can't even find the mushroom. As if I didn't use enough mushroom. Ah, the food is fantastic, actually. But I can't find the mushrooms. Can't find it. Is this mushroom? How many pillows you sleep with? Pillows? What do you mean? Pillows? Ha. One, you want to buy some for me? You want to buy some pillows for me? This is mushroom too. Wow. Honestly, it tastes like egg. Egg. Like fried egg. Could it be because of the butter? Oh my goodness. I'm loving this mushroom thing. Please try this, okay? Try it. It's delicious. Wow. This is onion. Half cooked. Just half fried. Wow. So alive. I don't need to tell you the taste of egg. Wow. Ooh. Ah. Whoever discovered mushroom that is eatable need an award. almost forgot I'm filming. Guys, this food is tasty. When my kids come back, my husband, I'm going to prepare this for them. Wow. Welcome. I'm almost done here. Oh. This is delicious. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I don't want the food to finish. If you haven't tried it, watch this video. Replicate the exact method of cooking and eat it so that you understand how I'm feeling here. Oh my goodness. Oh! I'm sweating. Can you see me? That's how you know you're eating good food. Because if you're sweating and the food is not enough, it's not good. Oh my goodness. I can eat this plate alone. Oh! Breakfast done and dusted. This is 10:39. My sachet water. Thank you for joining, okay? I really appreciate. So see you guys in our next vlog, next video. Anyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.